All about mangoes, the king of fruit. Mangoes are known as the king of fruits because of their sweet taste, juicy texture, and amazing health benefits. They are one of the oldest cultivated fruits, loved by people all over the world. But did you know that mangoes have been eaten for over 4,000 years? Scientific name: Mangifera indica. Family: Anacardiaceae. Native to India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Grown in India, Thailand, Mexico, the Philippines, and many tropical countries. Types of mangoes. There are over 500 varieties of mangoes, but here are some popular ones. Alphonso, known as the king of mangoes, rich and creamy. Kesar, golden, aromatic, and super sweet. Haden, bright red skin, fiber-rich and juicy. Atkins, mildly sweet, popular for export. Alphonso, honey mango, small, golden, and very sweet. Nutritional value of mangoes, per 100 gram. Calories, 60 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 15 gram. Natural energy boost. Fiber, 1.6 gram, good for digestion. Vitamin C, 36.4 milligram, boosts immunity. Vitamin A, 54 microgram, great for eyesight and skin. Potassium, 168 milligram, good for heart health. Water content, 83%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of mangoes: boosts immunity, high in vitamin C and A, improves digestion, contains fiber and enzymes, great for skin and hair, full of antioxidants, supports heart health, lowers cholesterol and BP, good for eyesight, rich in vitamin A, increases energy, natural sugar for an instant boost. Fun facts about mangoes. 1. India is the largest producer of mangoes in the world. 2. The oldest mango tree is over 300 years old and still bears fruit. 3. A ripe mango smells sweet at the stem end. 4. Mangoes are related to cashews and pistachios. 5. The world's heaviest mango weighed 4.25 kilograms, 9.36 pounds. How mangoes grow. 1. Mango trees grow best in warm, tropical climates. 2. They bloom with small white flowers, which turn into baby mangoes. 3. After 3 to 6 months, the mangoes ripen and change color. 4. They are then hand-picked and enjoyed fresh or processed. Uses of mangoes: eaten fresh, slice and enjoy. Mango juice and smoothies, sweet and refreshing. Mango ice cream and sorbets, a delicious treat. Salads and dishes, adds tropical flavor. Mango pickles and chutneys, tangy and spicy. Conclusion: mangoes are not just tasty but also super healthy. So next time you enjoy a juicy mango, remember all the amazing benefits it gives you.